For this module, we're going to use ACU's Wordpress blogs, which are free for everyone on campus. Now, there are other ways to publish a podcast. We're going to use the free option, but there's services like WordPress.com. You could use SoundCloud. Podbean is one of the cheapest ones I've seen, or even Squarespace. There's an option there to do podcasting. Squarespace hosts websites. There's even a student discount, so you might want to look into that. But the first thing we want to do is deal with ACU's WordPress blogs. So to do that, we're going to go to blogs.acu.edu, and you're going to put your username after this. So this is my username. And now I have a blog, apparently, that ACU set up for me, right? They do this for everybody. The first thing I want to do to just jump in here to WordPress is to go up here to the plus symbol where it says new. I'm going to say create a new post. And you can see the basic elements are a title and some content, a description here. So I'm going to say new podcast test episode. And here's the description. Obviously, you'll put more effort into that. This is just a test to work through it. But there's nowhere to put my audio right now. If you've used WordPress before, you might know that you upload media here through Add Media, but that's not going to work for us. There's some issues there, and we're going to have to go through another way. So first thing I'm going to do then is just save my draft so I don't lose it. And you're going to come down here and enable a plugin. So on the left, there's a plugins option. And these are alphabetical. I'm going to go to the Blueberry PodPress plugin, and I'm going to click Activate. Now that I've activated it, I have a place in my post to upload audio, or to add my media URL to my audio. So here, I'm going to go back to my list, look at my posts. Here is my draft that I'm working on. And if I scroll down here, I now notice there's some new information available. This says a podcast episode. It says there's a media URL and some other information. So how do I get my audio in here? Well, we're going to go to archive.org. You're going to create an account if you've never signed in before. I already have one, so we'll skip that step. But you can just click register here for free. And then you'll upload your audio. Now, I've already uploaded my audio, so I'm just going to jump into my library, and I'm going to show you what it looks like after you've uploaded your audio. Here is a file that I have, and down here on the right, there are some download choices. I'm going to click Show All so you can see them. Essentially, you uploaded an MP3 that you exported from Audition, and that's what we want. But now that it's been uploaded here to archive.org, it's hosted, which means it's live on the internet for anyone to link to. I'm going to right-click or control-click, copy the link, and then I'm going to come back over here to my blog post and paste that in this media URL. Notice it ends with MP3. That's important. We need that. Now, I'm going to click Verify just to check it. This is going to see, is this an audio file that is on the internet that I can check? Sure enough, it is. That's great. So I'm good to go. I'm going to hit publish, and we're essentially ready for the next step now to get it submitted to podcast apps.